A drastic uptick in people needing help to pay rent. Government officials announcing today that 60% of applicants for the fifth cycle of the Emergency Rental Assistance Program are brand new. The island is emerging during what feels more like post-pandemic times, yet many are still struggling to make do. Guam Behavioral Health and Wellness Director Therese Areola raising questions over the increase in applications. She spoke today during the Office of Homelessness and Poverty Prevention meeting.
So 60% are still struggling to meet rent. So my question still stands. Are we tracking why people are having difficulty in meeting rent? What is the reason? Because it's not going to get better unless we help them.
ERA Program Director Vicki Linlu is seeing a trend that explains in part why more people are asking for help.
Much of what they're saying is extenuating additional hardship, financial hardship on their households.
Linlu adding more perspective as eligibility evolved in ERA 2. That's when the U.S. Treasury expanded requirements for the assistance, reclassifying eligibility requirements from hardship felt because of the pandemic to those who experienced hardship during the pandemic.
During the COVID pandemic, if you happen to have someone who, got sick and, had additional medical bills that they had to pay, still trying to catch up, these are all hardships that resulted.
Are we tracking that? We're not breaking it down?
How about this? Time out.
Despite the underlying factors that remain unresolved, both did come to an agreement on the program's importance.
Extenuating circumstances like a medical bill is one thing, but we want to determine where the needs are. And exactly, Lieutenant Governor, if it's about employment, then we got to get them employed, or they will always consistently need help. So we need to move that needle.
Yeah, all right.
Officials decided to meet again next week to look deeper into the data, to more clearly define why there have been more and more people seeking the help. Destiny Cruz, KUAM News.